Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make playable ads. First, understand that playable ads are minigames, giving users a taste of your app. They are highly interactive, allowing potential players to experience core gameplay for about 15 to 30 seconds. This direct engagement is incredibly powerful, leading to much higher conversion rates compared to static or video ads. It's about letting users try before they buy. To create an effective playable ad, focus on a single, compelling gameplay mechanic. Keep the user interface extremely simple and intuitive so anyone can jump right in. A prominent call to action, like "Install now," is crucial for guiding users to the next step. Remember, the ad should load very quickly, ideally within 5 seconds, to prevent users from dropping off. When designing, aim for a small file size, ideally under 5 megabytes, to ensure fast loading on all connections. Use vibrant visuals and clear sound effects to immerse the user quickly. It's vital that your ad is responsive, adapting perfectly to different screen sizes and orientations. Always conduct extensive testing across various devices and operating systems to catch any bugs. To maximize your playable ad's impact, always /B test different elements like calls to action or gameplay variations. Carefully analyze user data to understand where players engage most and where they might drop off. Consider personalizing ad content for different user segments to increase relevance. Finally, remember that optimization is an ongoing process. Continuously iterate and refine your campaigns for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.